So today is July 23rd, 2024, and what are we doing today, Freddie?
Okay, today we're gonna uh, plant some potatoes, Costa Rican style, okay? All right, so first thing we're gonna do is, you see the potatoes are already sprouting, okay? I'm gonna cut in half so we can make more potatoes. That one has it, this one has it too. You see, sprouts on the other side. Okay, we already have the bags. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some calcium so we keep the bugs out of the bag. Put some more. Okay, get this one. So how many are you gonna put? 8?
Half of whatever we have, yes.
4 and 4, okay? So we need 8 total. We have, how many we have? 6. Let me see this one. Yeah, right here. I'm gonna get this one 8.5. This is a process for 3 months, 90 days, okay? This is the beginning, day 1. We're gonna go step by step. Every 5 days, we're gonna do another video just to check how everything is going and how we do it with the process, okay? So next step here is, okay, we're gonna make some holes. And we're going to put our potatoes right there inside. Oh, it's beautiful, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, it's awesome, dude. Thunder.
That's right. And this soil has half black soil and it has half really fertilized soil.
Great. Okay, so we're gonna put our last one here.
And what do you think about poking holes in the top for rain?
Okay, get in a bottle and put it here, put in here. It's gonna be for after 30 days, okay? We're gonna start fertilizing with some organic stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so that's gonna be in the next step. Maybe in 2-3 weeks, next videos. After the entire bag is gonna start, you know, the potatoes, they're gonna start sprouting and everything. Then we're gonna come back, put the bottle, and get it ready for when we have to put, you know, the organic stuff and put in some water to fertilize. Organic way. Okay, so I think this is our first video. This is a project for 3 months. Okay, so we're gonna see. We are beginners, but we're gonna start feeding the village.
And so this next bag, this bag is going to have calcium on the potatoes, but we're going to do an experiment with this bag over here that will not have any calcium, and we're going to look at the difference. So
Yeah.
we're gonna
do this one right away.
so yeah, thank you for watching. We're going to check back soon, and we will show what the progress is of these potatoes.